Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammadah. I am from the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition from UAS. My research topic was exploring the potential role of probiotics on various biomarkers of colorectal cancer induced mice. Firstly, there is an outline. The outline includes what is colorectal cancer, significance of the topic, statement of the problem, objective, research methodology, results, conclusion, and references. Basically, what is colorectal cancer? According to definition, the colorectal cancer is defined as the malignant tumor on the inner wall of colon or rectum of an individual that develops over a long period time. Risk factors of colorectal cancer including unhealthy diet and lifestyles such as smoking, low physical activity, obesity, metabolic disorders, and genetic factors as well. The significance of the topic includes two basic points. The first one is because of high prevalence rate. Third, colorectal cancer is considered as the third most type of cancer in the world and it ranks fifth position in Pakistan. According to cases reported in Shaukat Khan Memorial Cancer and Research Hospital, colorectal cancers have 11.8% in male and 4.8% in female. The second point is that it is our misconception that probiotics only used to treat diarrhea. However, probiotics lower the risk of colorectal cancer by the following points, including modification of intestinal microbiota composition, immunomodulation, improved intestinal barrier, intracolonic pH, change in host physiology, inhibition of proliferation and reduction of apoptosis of cancerous cells. Statement of the problem. The number of the colorectal cancers are increasing in Pakistan, especially in males. However, probiotics may lower the chance of colorectal cancer by preventing it. The objective of our study is to evaluate the preventive role of probiotic strains, including Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Bifidobacterium bifidum, Bifidobacterium laccitase, on various biomarkers of colorectal cancer in mice. Hypotheses. Hypotheses including probiotics may lower the chance of development of colorectal cancer in mice. For this purpose, our research methodology consists of the following components. Male mice. Adult male mice are subjected carcinogenic compound. For the induction of colorectal cancer, 1,2-dimethylhydrazine dihydrochloride is used. Probiotics. To determine the preventive effect of probiotics, we use the following strains, including Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium bifidum, Bifidobacterium laccitase. Research methodology. Experimental design and animal trial consist of the following. 28 mice are randomly and equally divided into 4 groups. Control group. The mice in this group contain basal diet without probiotic and carcinogenic to this group. Disease control group. Mice received basal diet and dimethylhydrazine concentration 25 mg per kg weekly subcutaneously. Treatment group 1. Mice in this group received DMH concentration of 25 mg per kg subcutaneously plus probiotic concentration of 0.4 billion CFU in 0.5 ml of water per day. Treatment group 2. Mice received DMH concentration of 25 mg per kg subcutaneously plus probiotic concentration of 0.8 billion CFU in 0.5 ml of water per day. Time duration. However, 8 weeks are required for the proper development of colorectal cancer. But our research is consists of 10 weeks to ensure that colorectal cancer is fully developed. Parameters. The parameters which included in our study was body weight changes, which was measured at the beginning and at the end of the study. Daily feed intake, redox status. The redox status, that is oxidant and antioxidant activity in the tissue, was measured by MDA and catalase test respectively. For histology, flat aberrant crypt foci analysis was done. After 10 weeks, animal was sacrificed to perform the aberrant crypt foci analysis. Methyl blue staining was used for this purpose. Aberrant crypt foci is identified by using light microscope at the magnification of 40x. Statistical analysis. One-way ANOVA test was used to analyze variation among groups. Results. The first result was body weight change. As I previously said that the body weight was measured at the beginning and at the end of the study. From the plotted graph, it can be declared that the body weight was declined in disease group as well as probiotic group 0.4 and 0.8 concentration. However, the body weight remained constant in the control group. The decline in the weight might be due to the gluconeogenesis, which is the factor of the colorectal cancer. Here is the statistical analysis of the body weight changes. Daily feed intake. During 10 weeks, feed intake of mice had been recorded. The total feed intake was more affected in disease group, probiotic group 0.4 and probiotic 0.8. However, there is no significant difference has been noted in control group. The statistical explanation of feed intake was given in this table. MDA level. The MDA level had been measured in blood and liver. The MDA level in the blood did not show any difference in the control group. However, elevated MDA level had been noted in the probiotic group 0.4 and probiotic group 0.8. The MDA level in the liver did not show any difference among all the groups. Here is the statistical explanation of MDA level catalase. The catalase activity had been measured in blood as well as in liver. The catalase activity in disease group was significantly low as compared to the control group. However, probiotic group 0.4 and probiotic 0.8 show that more elevation level of catalase activity in blood as compared to disease group. The liver catalase activity did not show any difference among all the groups. Here is the statistical explanation of the catalase in blood and liver. Flat aberrant crypt foci. Aberrant crypt foci is basically known as the basic parameter of development of cancer. These are basic blood crypts formed in the colon, which shows that cancer has been developed successfully. For this purpose, the entire colon was removed at the end of the study and methyl blue staining was used. The result shows that the flat in disease group flat aberrant foci was more in grayish pattern comparing to the control group, which shows the normal colon. However, there was less development of flat aberrant foci in probiotic group 0.4 concentration as compared to the disease group. And there are more small presence of flat aberrant foci in probiotic group 0.8 CFU concentration, and more surrounding mucosa had been observed. The image shows the histological image of colon Conclusion. Administration of probiotics have been positive impact in the prevention of colorectal cancer. However, it can also be declared that in cases the concentration of probiotic has been more beneficial role in cancer prevention as a dose-dependent manner. These are the references. Thank you.